The SafeKids app uses the accessibility feature of a child's device to create an enjoyable experience for young users. This feature allows parents to set limits on screen time and block certain apps or websites. It can also be used by parents to track screen activity. By using the SafeKids app, parents can help their children to use their devices safely and responsibly, while still allowing them to enjoy all of the benefits that technology has to offer. It's worth mentioning that this permission will be granted by the user's consent and can be removed by unpairing the device anytime. Since the SafeKids app's basic functionality depends on these permissions, it must be granted when installing the app for the first time. The SafeKids app is a valuable tool for parents, including those of children with behavioral disorders. It can help keep children safe online and limit their screen time so they can enjoy a healthy and balanced life.